In this video, I'm going to show you what you have to do if the WP Forms is just not working. So when you go to your website and you go to WP Forms Lite and you go to the settings or you want to create one, it just doesn't work or the form on the website, it looks very strange, or you can't add emails, or you just can't add good forms on the plugin. So what I recommend you to do first, there are several solutions. You have to go to your plugins, and basically what you have to do first is deactivate it and completely delete it. So now you can reinstall it, and maybe this will do the trick. If this doesn't do the trick, I have a second solution for you. But first, try this, just install it again, and then you can try again if it does work, or if it did not. Then I have a second solution. I'm going to show it right now. So the second solution is go to plugins again, and then search for a new plugin called WP Reset, just like this. You want to install this plugin, and then you can basically remove cache from some apps. As you can see, it's very small, you can download it easily. And then you want to go to open WP Reset tool, then go to tools, and then don't want to delete a lot of this, but make sure to delete the purge cache and delete all cookies. So when you do this, you have to log in again. As you can see this, when you reload, you'll see that you have to log in again, just like this. And now the trick could be done when you go back to WP Forms, and then it should work. So if this video helped you out to solve the problem, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.